Hello, welcome to my channel. This is a general reading for Cancer, Sun, Moon and Rising from June 15th to June 30th. If it resonates with you, please keep watching. If it doesn't, you can book yourself a personal reading. The information is in the description box below. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment if it resonates with you. Subscribe if you want to see me regularly with your monthly readings. Tell me what's up with my Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising from June 15th to June 30th. Please dive deep into the emotion. Please dive deep into I do see Cancer. A lot of you guys are for June 15, June 30th. A lot of you guys are in the rest mode. A lot of you guys in the relax mode. A lot of you guys are just like sort of really adoring how far you've come. A lot of you guys are just like enjoying how far you've come. You're just feeling like this king who has it all, settled. Everything is working out. There's nothing really that you want to worry about. Some of you are just like really taking taking time off and really enjoying where you are is what I see. Cancer, I do see that some of you are also dealing with a fire sign. Could be this is a very very massive Sagittarius energy. Some of you could be dealing with a Sagittarian. There's also water sign energy. This could be a Pisces, Scorpio, Cancer also. I want to clarify why is for why are Cancers retreating? I do see Cancer that you all are just in that mode right now wherein you're just like not really taking too much pressure in life. You're just like not really stressing about anything. I think you all have worked hard enough in the past, so you don't have to. This is just the time for you to reap fruit of your hard work. Some of you are nurturing yourself, you're taking care of yourself, you're doing what makes you feel happy. This is a beautiful, beautiful energy. I want to find out what's up with the person my Cancers are dealing with. Please tell me what's up with the person my Cancers are dealing with. This is also Sagittarius energy. Please tell me what's up with the person my Cancers are dealing with. Please dive. Cancers, I'm diving deep into the emotion of the person you all are dealing with. If the reading is resonating with you, please hit on the subscribe button. Please dive deep into the emotion of the person my Cancers are dealing with. Please dive deep into the emotions of the person my Cancers are dealing with. Please dive deep into the emotions of the person my Cancers are dealing with. I do see Cancer. This person really looks at you as somebody they can confide in, they can count on. This person really, really feels a sense of peace around you whenever they're spending time with you. This person really feels that you're so warm and you're so balanced and you're so peaceful that they really, really, whenever they are with you, they just your presence is one of the most peaceful places on earth for them. Like they look at you like this angel who's really here to spread peace, to spread happiness, and they really feel that sense of warmth, that sense of peace in your presence. Cancer, they just sort of feel that all their problems and all their worries and all their hurdles just sort of vanish when they're around you. So they do feel that way, and I've written this line where the kid inside us never dies, and we all need someone that can keep the kid alive. And whenever they're around you, Cancer, you just sort of bring, you just nurture them in a way that their inner child, that their, the healthy child inside them comes out, and they really, really feel happy being around you. Um, some of you could be dealing with a person who's younger to you, Cancer, or this person, or this person could be, you're like, you could be at a higher place, in a workspace, or probably, financially you could be at a much higher position. But this person really looks up to you in a lot of ways, Cancer. This is a beautiful, beautiful feeling. This person really wants to, even though emotionally they are somebody who's extremely low and depressed, but when they're around you, they really feel empowered. Your presence, your energy really makes them feel happy, calm, relaxed, and empowered. I do sense that. I want to see the outcome for Cancer and their person. If this reading is resonating with you, I request you guys to please click on the subscribe button. Meanwhile, I will find out the outcome. Please send us the outcome for Cancer and their person to continue the truth with you. I do see, Cancer. The person that you are dealing with is really going to, make an offer to you. They are going to tell you that, if you are not around, if you're not there with them, you literally feel lost, and that they want to give this a shot, that they want to work it out, that they really want to, do something about the way they feel about you. They want to take a step further. However, Cancer, I do see that the kind of space that you're in right now, you're really enjoying the attention that you're getting from various people. You're really enjoying being in this space where you're single, where you're happy, where, oh my god, my heart is literally full when I'm giving this reading. That you're just like in this space where you're full of life, where you're full of energy, where you want to focus on yourself. You don't want to work too hard because you already have, and now you're just like relaxing, and you're really liking the attention that you're getting, but at the same time you really don't want to do much about it. And Cancer, I do see that you're really not in a space where you really want to date somebody. I mean, this could be happening subconsciously or whatever, but you are certainly just in that space where you want to enjoy, you want to chill, you want to work a little, you want to just enjoy the fruit of your hard work. So for some of you, this person is going to give you an offer. For some of you, this person is going to let you know how amazing you are and how good do they feel, in your presence, and they want to do something about it. But at the same time, Cancer, I do see that in this moment you're going to probably not invest into anything serious. You're just in a very happy, calm, and chill space where you want to just be here and enjoy. You want to be, you're enjoying the power of now, the power of present moment, and you're absolutely soaking in it. I love this energy of your Cancer. Thank you for watching. If it resonated with you, please let me know. I would really like it, and please subscribe if you want to see me every month. Thank you for watching.